Hi there, students. I had a question from Katia about prepositional phrases with the word good. So is it good in, good at, good to, good about, good of, good for, good with? Now, I think this is actually a very difficult question. And I can give you sentences with all of these prepositions, and I will do in a minute. However, I think the only preposition that really goes with good is good at. Good at something. She's good at art. She's good at chemistry. They are good at helping people. Okay, so good at. If you're good at something, you do it well. Good at a noun. The teacher is good at motivating students. He's good at English. Maybe he's even better at science. Now, good in. I personally would never use the phrase good in. Depends. For me, good, but the in goes in the second part. So he's good in a difficult situation. He's good in difficult situations. He's good in the kitchen. He's good in bed. But notice, for me, this is good in the kitchen, in bed. The in goes with the second part of the phrase. He's good in traffic jams. He's good in difficult situations, in a situation. So, yes, you can say he's good in a situation, but I think it's good in a situation. Good for you. Exercise is good for you. This present is for you. This is for the motivation of the workers. This is something that is very beneficial for the environment. So good for the environment. The for goes with the other part. Good. He's very good with numbers. He's good with children. I'm very good with my hands. But notice, with numbers, he's agile with numbers. He's charming with children. So I think again the with goes with the second part. So yeah, to be good with people, but with people, it's the with people. So she's very good to me. She sent a letter to me. She's good to me. Again, this is the idea. Okay. The fates have been very good to me. To me is the second part. Okay, he was very good about the money. He was good about the problem. It was very good of him. And again, I would say the preposition goes with the second part. However, he's good at something. And at is a dependent preposition with good. And that's how I would actually look at it. You can use just about any preposition with good, but to be good at something, to be good at a skill. He's good at football. She's good at entertaining people. She's good at dancing. She's good at playing the drums. But good at, and it's nothing to do with the drums or the people or the second part of the sentence. So, good. Prepositional phrases with good. For me, good is the dependent preposition. So, good at. Bye for now.